Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how you can create an alternate key in Microsoft Dynamics 365, which can be used as an alternate option to define a row uniquely without using grid, and how we can restrict user to create duplicate record using the same key. So why we use alternate key instead of grid? We use represent another key with combination of one filter multiple fields to represent as a unique key. So let us create a key. So I have an entity called as account. So from here I have navigate to the keys and created a new key from here. And when the new key is created, I have associate given a name key like a display name of the alternate key, and it will create a schema name also, which is your prefix and the schema name and the name of the key. Then I have associated a account name field to represent unique key. It means if someone will try to create another record with same name, it will identify the record. So here GUID, it will not be the primary key of the table, will not be associated or included whether the name field will be behave as a primary key, and then click on save from here. Now go back to the account form and then create a record with same account name. So copy that account name from here and then click on new button. So here firstly give the account name and then click on save button. So it will show the duplicate record is found. Like if I click on ignore and save from here, so it will allow automatically display message that a record that has an attribute value name already exists. The entity key named key, so this is the alternate key we have created. So it is showing a message that the entity key name key requires that this set of attribute contain unique values. Now here it is restricting creating duplicate record. So this is the benefit of using alternate key. If you don't want to configure any duplicate detection rule, so you can also do it alternate key. So in this video we covered how you can create an alternate key in Microsoft Dynamics 365. Thanks for watching.